Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare this kind of appetizer using these round eggplants. Now it's very easy to prepare. I have to slice them. These are already washed, no? These eggplants, you see how big they are? Huh? So these are washed already. I had to remove this part and also this part. I'll just slice it this way. Okay. The thinness is this. This is one of the appetizers that I usually prepare when there is an occasion. This is very simple to prepare and this is very easy and needs simple ingredients. The heat is on. I have to wait that it becomes hot. Now I think it's ready, so I'll place them here in this order, like this. Another one here. You see this design, the effect of searing, it indicates that they are grilled. It adds as attraction to this recipe. And I'm using this meat mallet to create that good sear on these slices of eggplant. Let them cool down, and now while they are cooling down, I prepare the dressing. So in this medium-sized bowl, I have these 2 cloves of garlic. Crush them. I divide each clove into 2 so that it will be easy for me to crush each like this, and so that the aroma will come out. I will not chop them finely so that it will be easy for me to remove them. Okay, this is the bowl. This is what is this? Vinegar. Okay, apple cider. I'll put, wait, maybe that's just enough. And then olive oil. Olive oil must be abundant. Okay. The others, they don't put sugar. Me, I'll put just a teaspoon, not full, of sugar, no? This one. Very important. Salt. Just a teaspoon. Okay. And then let it sit for about 5 minutes. And while it is resting there, the dressing, parsley. Okay, I'll chop parsley. This is also included in the dressing. Okay, I'll chop it finely. This is already washed. in their dishes, you often see parsley in the Italian dishes, no? There are many dishes that you have to also put or add parsley. Okay. 5 minutes is passed. Now I'll add this chopped parsley into the mixture or into the dressing. Okay. I mix it. I have to put first a little dressing here. Okay. And then one by one, I place them here. Okay. First, okay, this is the first layer. Like this. And then where will I put here? This here. Okay, now it's time to dress them with this condiment. Now when
I serve this, and the others may say that, oh, it lacks sugar or it lacks salt. Well, place a container or a small container of salt there in the middle of the table so that they can adjust the taste. No?
Okay, another layer. Okay, same process. On the third layer, same process, huh? Now that the appetizer is ready, I'll put it in the fridge, and it is better to consume it cold. This is good to eat with bread. Tastes good. I thought it lacks salt, but it's enough. Tastes good. I hope you try this recipe. It is simple and delicious. No, it's really a good appetizer. So that's all, guys. And thanks for watching.